Ah, the doorbell just rang. What could it be? What could it be? Oh my. There it is. That's what I've been waiting on. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing in. Well, hello everyone. My name is Harry, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, Harry's Stuff and Such. Hello everyone. That package that was left at my front door, well, it was this Anet A8 3D printer. Now this is my first venture into 3D printing, and there are a lot of videos out there that already have unboxing and building guides, so forth. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time with that. What I am going to do is quickly unbox this, and then I'm going to build the Anet as it is stock, and then we'll go through and spend time upgrading it and keep a log of how the upgrades go and what happens with each of the upgrades, and keep you up to date. I will quickly go through here though, just to see how everything looks. Everything is here as it's supposed to be. Okay, looks like it's all here, ready to go. So without any further ado, I will get started assembling this and get back with you when things are looking good and it's together and printing. Well, I'm very disappointed. I did not get to finish my assembly of the A8. Problem is, I found the broken part. Hadn't got very far into the assembly when that happened. The part that was broke was the top plate. You see that here. It was broke and the cutout where the display is supposed to fit, one of the corners was broke completely through, so I had to stop the assembly. Well, going to Anet's customer support basically said, hey, email us what the problem is, so I did. I emailed them, told them the top plate was broke. Unfortunately, I didn't get the response I was hoping for. What I was hoping they would say is, no problem, we'll send you a new top plate, but that didn't happen. Basically what they said was send it back to the seller. So fortunately, I did buy it from Amazon, and I contacted Amazon, and they were great. They just said, no problem, it's a broke item. We'll send you a return label, send it back to us. And I did that. They created my credit card, and I ordered a replacement A8. And once that gets here, then I'll start assembling that item, and we'll see how far I can get with my 3D printing experience. I'll keep you up to date.